So, what we're doing now is we're looking at...
What we need is something between Digby and Vermilion.
What are we looking at here?
Well, we're looking at how many hundreds of thousands of kilometers I got to drive this next year.
The tour schedule for next year, we're trying to get organized here.
Yeah.
We have so far, let's read it off. So far we have March,
Yeah.
Motorama in Toronto,
Yeah.
789, Red Deer. Is Red Deer for sure? The 14th? Let's call Todd. Okay, here's Todd. Confirming. This is Todd from Electric Auctions.
EG,
Electric Garage. Sorry. EG Auctions, Electric Garage. My good friend Todd.
He's still probably in Palm Springs. He's busy. Yep. Yep. Anyway.
He's always answers his phone. Okay, anyways, I'll text him. June 20th, 21st is Saskatoon. Okay, April 12th is what? Your auction? Michael?
Yes.
April 12th. Oh, it's 12th. April 12th
You
is
talking
Todd.
to-
No, I'm looking at my text message.
Yeah.
April 12th, Todd auction
Yeah, that's a Saturday, isn't it?
at Rust Bros. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, at Rust Bros, right? Okay, and then
And this one in Quebec City, we don't
March
know about.
14th, 15th, Red Deer. Is that still the case though? That's his auction. Yes? There's two auctions.
Yeah,
One in Red Deer,
yeah.
one in Saskatoon.
Yeah, well,
and then yours.
he said he'd like us to be able to make it, but the one in Saskatoon is the most important to him.
Right. So Red Deer's March, but it's after Motorama. It's 5 days after Motorama in Toronto, which is possible, but it could be just a train, right? 'Cause
Yeah.
we're talking about having a car from over there,
Yeah.
or if you bring that Chevelle. Then Winnipeg World of Wheels is the 21st to 23rd of March, and then Calgary World of Wheels
Is the 28th to the 30th.
of March. April, we have the auction here.
Yes. And then getting rid of cars.
And then Quebec City, maybe May 2nd or the 4th, we have to speak to Martin, but it's, And then June, it's all up in the air.
Yeah.
Other than for sure Saskatoon, June 20th, this is for sure. I'm going to put this in green.
Yep. Yep.
Yes?
Yes. Okay.
This is green, this is green,
Yep.
this is
Digby's
green.
July.
And
then
did we
Vermilion.
confirm Vermilion? Can you, we should probably call,
Yes.
this is yellow. And then this is all confirmed.
Okay, so green, green, green. Oh, look at you go.
And then, okay, cool. So how do you feel about this so far? And how much do you want to add to this? You got June.
Well,
this is
it'd be
Saskatoon.
nice if there were.
This is a great. So once we hit July, we're going to Digby, Nova
then-
Scotia.
and then we
Is
got
Nova Scotia, Digby.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. And then we got to get back to Vermilion.
Back to back to
And then
Alberta,
back to Fredericton.
back to Fredericton, and up to the Arctic
Yep.
in August, and then not Indiana, then back.
Yes.
And then we start on cars in your new shop in Kamloops.
You're right.
What's the latest with the shop and the property and everything?
The latest is we've got a subdivision. They denied us our zoning change, the LC. We've appealed, we've denied it. So basically May 29th, the shop is supposed to be shut down for commercial endeavors. And there's supposed to be no automotive business happening here.
Right, but you're allowed to work on your own cars.
No, not yet.
Okay.
Not yet. There's not supposed to be any until they grant
I
us.
just see my life crumbling.
Yes,
before
so
my
until,
eyes.
if they give us the subdivision,
Yes.
then this can theoretically become my house with an attached garage because the footprint's small enough.
And then you could work on cars.
I can work on my cars.
Yes, which is what you're doing anyways.
Yes, yeah, theoretically.
We're doing a couple. Yes.
But until, if they don't grant me the subdivision, then the building is still illegal.
Correct.
That's the issue. And they want the land back for agricultural purposes,
Yes.
right?
So harvesting rust is not a
No,
agricultural
so
endeavor?
planting and growing rust is not counted then. So anyway, that's where it lies. I mean, we have the application with the regional district. They've been going to represent it to the ALC. So that's why I'm just trying to be in compliance with the thing. That's why we're having the auction in April. So the cars will be gone by the end of May. And if I do have 9 or 10 here, they can be parked out of the ALC because the line's halfway through the shop.
Oh, right, because there is part of this that is out of the ALC.
Yes, one row of cars could be under the ALC
If you slope the bank.
if I slope the bank. But I'm not sloping the bank until I know if I'm gonna get the land, because it's a big expense.
Yes.
So anyway, my whole life is teetering on the edge, so to speak. Am I going over the edge? Am I gonna crawl back up to the top of the bank? I don't know yet. Anyway.
Or step to the top and jump off.
Yeah, that's right. Just take a flying leap, end it all. Anyway, I don't think so. But anyway, that's where it stands. We know nothing.
What is it?
We know nothing.
What are the potential backup plans if stuff goes to
I have no clue.
highlight where you'd like to have some car shows, and I will fill
in here.
them. So all in here.
Well, between Digby and Vermilion.
So we'd want to do stuff in like Ontario, Quebec, possibly Saskatchewan,
somewhere.
Like, yeah. Okay. Great.
Somewhere.
So we have 20 days, 18 days between Digby and Vermilion.
Yeah. And then we've got.
Because we still have to go to Magdalen Island.
And then we got to get back to Fredericton. So I mean.
Yes.
And we've got like 7 a week.
After Fredericton, we have to go straight to
weeks.
Fort Smith. Where is that again? Nunavut or Tuktoyaktuk?
Northwest Territories.
Northwest Territories. I should know better.
Yes, because we've got. Hang on. We've got like 2 weeks to make it back across. 12 days to make it back, and 6,000 miles. We got to do 6,000. We got to do minimum 500 a day for 12 days just to get there.
That's not horrible.
No, but it's
You
like
don't want to.
No, but I mean we ain't seeing much if we're driving for 5-6 hours a day minimum. That's minimum.
That's 1 or 2 stops a day to do whatever. Yeah.
Yeah, that's minimum that. And then after that, we got 4 days to make it to the Arctic before the weather goes.
4 days to get to the Arctic.
It's 40 hours.
40 hours, right? Oh, right, because it's end of August. It's going to start getting cold up there.
Yes. So the odds are it's going to be +3, +4 in the morning, and right down to 0 at night. So we got to go. We got to get the out of there. Kevin's going to come and meet us at Watson Lake, and with a truck I'm renting with spare tires,
To get up there?
gas cans, just so we got a backup in case we break down. I'm going to rent him a brand new truck, right, for 2 weeks,
Yes,
whatever.
if we don't get a
Yeah,
sponsor, yes.
yeah. Except I'm stuck to you. So anyway, it's like you're screwing me as well. Anyway, otherwise I'm just going to do it myself and cut you out of the loop. Okay, anyway.
Okay, so we have holes to fill.
Yes, we have holes to fill if possible, but I mean, like I said, we should be reaching out. You should actually ask Waylon if he knows any other car shows.
There's the list. I have the car show thing here. It's Mr. Ernie's or whatever, Car Shows Canada. I gotta take a jump on this call. Also, just FYI, I'm gonna go through and take my Mastercraft tools out of here, okay? Is that okay? They're all Mastercraft. The ones I bought, I need to take
good
them.
luck.
I'm gonna go
Good
through
luck.
them and I will show you.
Yeah,
I
Matt,
gotta
because
take
I
the
bought
bearer.
Mastercraft too. We had sets. We both had sets.
Fair enough, but I'm gonna I had ratchets and wrenches.
Matt, they're gone.
That's pretty much it. No,
They're
here.
They're gone.
I'm gonna grab them and I'll backfill because I need to have some tools and barrier.
Matt,
Mike, you have so many tools. You
Matt,
have so many tools.
you're the biggest tool in the shop right now.
I'm glad I'm here for your entertainment and the comedic
Yes,
relief.
yes, comedic relief.
Okay. All events. There it is, here.
Okay.
Here's all the events across the country. Oh, what's going on here? This computer's been dropped many times, just like me on my head.
Yes. Oh, this is all across North.
Canada,
That's not all of them. That's just the.
well, it's not, it's loading.
Oh, is it?
It's just like, this computer is
It's
like,
under construction.
no, they had all
It's
the
only
other ones
got
before.
March.
No, they had them before.
Okay, because we got World of Wheels in Winnipeg.
Yeah, I know.
Hang on, back. Just scroll back.
This computer's
Okay, hang on. Okay, March. Hang on. Let's see
There you
March.
go.
Okay,
There's an early bird swap meet left. We should go to some swap meets.
where's the left bridge?
I gotta jump on here, Paul.
That's in February. No, we don't want to go in February. See, this one doesn't even have Toronto on there, right? So I mean, what's like?
There's another one.
Car shows in Canada.
List. Here's a couple of them. Oh yeah, here's one. Yeah, here it is.
Okay.
Here.
There's March.
This one doesn't have March.
That's just the States. Oh no, Rosedale, BC. Kelowna Car and Bike Show, West Kelowna.
Oh, good, buddy. I just wanted to confirm those dates, but I think I have them. What do you have for the dates for Todd?
And then-
Just read those off to me. So,
Okay, what do you mean?
to confirm, can we lock this in? Or no?
Which one's that?
Just Todd. It's okay.
Okay.
It's okay. We'll get to Todd.
Yeah.
Oh, Cassidy's there. She's like, what the heck was that?